Acne and damaged skin. Acne is a common external symptom of the youthful time of our lives. To mitigate it, nothing better than a healthy and balanced diet and some simple and natural remedies. Acne. Aloe vera mask. It is a formula that combines essential ingredients for skincare. Ingredients: 100 grams of aloe vera, 50 grams of honey, 1 tablespoon of whiskey, 2 tablespoons of wheat germ oil, clay sanitized for external use. Thank you for joining our health community. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Also, if you activate the notifications, you will receive new advice. Preparation. The pulp of the aloe vera leaf is extracted and mixed with honey, whiskey, and oil. For a homogeneous consistency, it is best to use a mixer. Add the clay until a creamy texture is achieved, neither too liquid nor too pasty. Use. Previously, expose the face to a bit of steam that dilates and opens the pores. Apply the cream to damp skin, leave it to act for 45 minutes and then wash your face with lukewarm water. The catch: celery is a good supplement in the fight against acne. This internal cleanser can be taken both in juice and in the salad. Texture and softness on the skin. A lemon and parsley toner helps keep skin plump and smooth. To prepare it, put the lemon and parsley in a glass with water, leaving this to rest overnight. It is applied to the face the following day with the help of a cotton ball. Pimples on the face and body, borage compresses. This cooking will help eliminate dirty pores from our bodies. Ingredients: 100 grams of borage, 1 liter of water. Preparation. Boil the borage in the water for 30 minutes and let them rest. Place the compresses once they have cooled down. Use. Apply the cooking with compresses on the affected area. The Nature Best Remedies Council. People with skin conditions can rely on borage for relief, especially the oil obtained from its seeds. This plant is, in fact, an excellent help for the treatment of various conditions and is used in massages. It reduces neuralgia, muscle aches, and bruises. Damaged skin. Borage tincture ointment. Externally, borage is very beneficial in case of skin problems. Its flowers and leaves and the oil from its seeds are used as medicinal plants. Ingredients: 20 gr of crushed borage flowers and leaves, 96 alcohol, mineral water, 50 milliliters of glycerin or Vaseline. Preparation. To make the tincture, cover the borage flowers and leaves with alcohol. Then add mineral water, half the amount of alcohol used. All this is left to marinate for 15 days, stirring it from time to time, filtered, and reserved. Next, mix the borage tincture and glycerin or petroleum jelly in equal parts. If you use petroleum jelly, heat it to get a homogeneous cream. Use. Apply directly to the affected area, massaging or rubbing. In a short time, we will see the results. We hope you liked this video, and if so, let us know in the comments. I would also like to know from which city and country we are receiving your unconditional support. We want to know those things about you as it is essential to us. If you made it this far, we would like you to leave green hearts in the comments, so we will know that you are one of the people who watched the video until the end, and we thank you with all our hearts. Remember that you can subscribe to the channel as free, just like sharing the video. See you in the following video, friends, until next time.